Yes, guys, my pizza is ready. Yeah, looking good. Some good eating. Creative cooking, guys. Yeah, new video coming soon. In the meantime, I'm getting hungry, so I'm gonna dig in on this little pizza right here. Hope you guys are doing good. Remember, guys, to subscribe to the channel, support the thing, guys. Happy for you guys being here. Bless up on yourself. Until the next video. Coming soon. Love, war, good. Peace out. Damn. Peeps. Look at the farm, guys. I haven't been over here in a while. Place turning a bush. Carrots and everything is covered on the bush. Oh boy. Look at the carrots. All them covered on the bush. Oh man, prepper, everything is covered up on the bush. Whole place turned into a forest. Look at that. We have some cabbage right here. Look at them. Well, see, like we abandoned the place. These are the tomato right here. Tomatoes growing on the ground. Look at that. Tomato, ripe tomato. See that right there? These are ripe tomatoes. Oh man. Let me sit in here for a little minute. Look at that. Oh boy. Tomato on the ground. Over here. That tomato growing right here. I guess we gotta lift them off the ground because they stay on the ground and they heat up in the sun. Let's see what I can do here. I got some little tomatoes right here. Look at that. Look at that, guys. This is a whole bunch of tomatoes. It's right here on the ground. This is a lot of tomatoes. All on the ground. Next time I gotta lift it off the ground because you leave it on the ground like this, they spoiled real fast. Yeah. Look at that. Look here, guys. Tomatoes. Put some tomatoes over here. Grass. Yeah, my tomato trees all over the place. Yep. There's another one right here. This one is getting ripe. Some green one over there. Tomatoes on the ground. Look over there. This is a lot of tomatoes. Look here. Look right there. Look right there, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look here. It's a lot of tomatoes all over. Look at that, guys. It's a lot of tomatoes. Look here. Brown all over the place. It's a lot of tomatoes. So many. This is what? This is my pepper tree. Get huge. This is a pepper tree right here.
Now we're gonna put our stuff in here.
Let me open this thing.
You just take that little white stuff out, I think.
Really? You take this thing out. It's not coming out. Oh, I guess you gotta push it like this. So, let's see if that's how it works. Okay, here we go. The gas coming out. How much gas this tank though?
2 gallons.
Alright, lucky getting full. Alright, let's cover it up. Thing gonna be starting there? Let's try to start it.
Let's try it.
Go ahead, start it. You know how to start it? Press this part right here. Press this on, hold it down together. And then you're gonna pull this part over here. Here. Hold this. You gotta pull this. Hold it good. Press this down. You gotta press this down with this hand. And you gotta hold on, don't push it. You pull it. Like a chainsaw. Hold this down together. And then you gotta pull just the card alone. Just pull the card back to you. No, you gotta do it fast than that. You gotta pull it and push it back. Pull it fast and push it back down. Do like this. Look. Push it down. And you gotta put some more strength in it. Come on, put some strength in it.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, up first. Yeah, and push it back down quick. No, you let it go. You push it down. You pull it up and then push it down. Pull, push it down quick. You gotta do it faster than that. Up, down real quick. Push up and let. No, cut the glass.
Huh?
Cut the glass. Hold it down. Hold it. Yeah, hold it together. Push it down. Turn it around. Spin around. There you go. You're doing a good job. Look over here. Great job. No, if you let that part go, it's gonna go off. You gotta do it again. Start it again. You gotta do it faster. Push it back quick. Hold on, you push it into stone. You gotta get it out the stone.
Okay, can you do it now?
You start it again for me, and I'll do it for you. Remember, you gotta push it back down and pull it back up. Push it back down. Push it back down. And then pull it up again fast. Push it back down again. Pull it again fast. Gotta do it quick. No, that's too fast. You're going too fast.
We're going to see all of our stuff that grows.
Really? You don't like it? You don't like it?
It only looks like something else.
All right, let's go.
Hmm?
Lead the way. Lead the way, man. I thought you know the way.
I thought the trash can was over there.
No, we're going to the other one on the other side.
Oh. What? Ooh, what's on me?
I have no idea. I don't see nothing on you.
Hair?
What type of hair?
I don't know.
Your hair? Okay, now you're dropping the stuff. Don't make that thing catch the ground. Give me the trash bag because it's like you're too weak. Let me have this. And don't make that touch the ground.